As an international student coming into Australia, I just assumed that food here would just be barbecues, pub lunches, bakery food like meat pies. Food is definitely important to me. Everyone eats, so it's like a social occasion as well to have a meal with other people. But I think I was definitely wrong in thinking that Australians didn't have vegetarian food. There's actually a lot of vegetarian, vegan places that are accustomed to feeding people that don't eat meat.
Kebabs and skewers are a great thing to have at barbecues, just because you can stack up your own ingredients and produce them meat-free. To avoid having your food touch other people's, you can bring alfoil trays. From a contamination perspective, it pays to have color-coded chopping boards. You can always put blue tape on handles of frying pans you don't want others to use for meat. You can always get your own cutlery as well, with different colored handles.
I was worried that I wasn't gonna find anything to eat if I, went to a barbecue or went outside to restaurants for dinners and lunches. In Australia, it's actually quite easy being a vegetarian, especially in a university setting where people are quite adaptable and open to new ways of thinking and living.